Teh Botol.
Teh Botol.
Teh Botol.
Teh. Follow me.
Ah, here.
Teh Botol.
안녕.
So back again and happy to party the channel. So right now I'm with these three guys that you already maybe recognized in my previous videos regarding to Korean guys react to Indonesian singer that I will list down below the link. Today I'm doing another video because you guys requested so much. The second time I want them to react some more. So I already bring some Indonesian food like Teh Botol Sukro, the first one. And the second one will be Kacang Sukro, this one. You know this one. And then the last one will be Kerupuk Palembang that I brought it here. So this kind of three snacks that I could get here, and it's really hard to find, but for them I did it to search for these things.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yay! So right now let's see how they react, and let's roll.
Yeah, now at first we will eat this.
This looks like Coke.
Yes, this looks like Coke, but this is in the paper bag. Is it paper bag?
What's
Paper bag
drink?
used to.
It seems iced tea.
Ah, here's iced tea.
It's like a chocolate milk.
And the interesting point is here's no fat. Total fat is 0%. Protein 0%.
So
Now,
let's drink.
yeah, that's it.
What do you think is that?
Oh,
Mm,
it's like a tea.
tea. Ah, yeah, it's like
little
lemon tea. Yeah,
What
it's
is
for
that tea?
red tea is 홍차 in Korean. But yeah, when I look these drinks at first, I thought this is some soda like Coke, but this is not like that.
Yeah.
And which is
Yes.
can you?
Explain.
I forgot this name. What was it?
That name is Teh Botol.
Teh Botol.
Teh Botol.
Teh Botol.
Teh.
Teh
Follow me.
Botol.
Teh.
Ah, here.
Teh Botol.
Teh Botol.
Teh Botol. What does it mean? Teh Botol.
It's a bottle tea.
Bottle tea.
Teh means tea. Bottle means bottle.
I think this is same as 홍차 in Korean, right?
Yes,
Do you think so?
I think so too. How much is it in? I think so too.
In Indonesia?
Yeah.
In Indonesia, it's usually like 3,000 rupiahs or 4,000 rupiahs, or it's like 400 won or 300 won.
Oh, it's pretty cheap.
Cheap?
Yeah.
300,
400
400.
Yeah.
I
But
heard
when I buy it here, because it's imported, the price is price, so it's not the same as when I buy it.
I like these drinks.
It is delicious.
Okay.
It's like a bean.
No, I think it look like Korean rice cake,
Rice cake. Oh.
like 수제비.
It's hard. Oh.
What
Smells
was
like rice cake.
I didn't catch that.
It's like an anju.
Yeah. Now I found the peanuts.
We have to drink with it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's good to eat with the drink.
Oh,
Beer.
with the beer?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think its flavor is like Korean rice snack.
Do you know 오징어 땅콩?
Ah, yes. In Korean snack, 오징어
They
땅콩.
named it gochujang tangkong.
Yeah.
It's like
They-
this
It's
Taste.
similar.
Squid peanut.
Squid peanuts. Or
It's
you-
weird, squid peanut.
Squid and peanut. Yeah, that's right.
Give up?
I don't know.
You give up?
I can't guess.
Oh.
I can't
I
You
can't.
cannot guess.
You cannot tell?
Yes.
give up.
You can do it. 진석.
The
No.
flavor of it is garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah,
garlic. Oh.
that's garlic.
Oh. Real.
And now I can feel garlic.
Me too. Me too.
Yeah, I know this is garlic.
Oh. Oh.
And
Third one.
This look like rice snack.
Very
yeah,
big.
and this is huge snack.
I have to separate.
I think this look like a complex something mathematical graph.
Do you know toroid?
Yeah, I know totally.
Toroid.
Yeah, this is electromagnetic something.
Okay.
For your information, they are engineering students, so they are like this. They're thinking about that.
Oh, you're
kind of
expert.
graph.
Yeah, I'm always studying.
Ooh.
Oh, cool.
Smart guy, smart guy.
And I'm sure this is not made of garlic, right?
It's only made from rice.
Rice. I think this is a real rice. I think this is rice snack too, but I'm not sure. I'm sure that I saw this kind of things on my text.
They call it kerupuk.
Its name.
The name of it. Kerupuk.
Kerupuk.
그룹.
Kerupuk.
와, 잘한데.
Is that right pronunciation? Kerupuk.
맞아, 맞아.
크루브.
Kerupuk.
So Indonesian always eat it with everything. Like you eat kimchi, this one is always there.
Mm.
And then sometimes they make garlic. Sometimes they make another thing. And this one,
Rice.
I mean, garlic.
Garlic.
Ah, it's made of garlic.
I was sure that it's not made of garlic, but it is
It's like a noodle.
Mm. No, now,
It tastes good.
yeah, now I can feel garlic in this. snack.
It's with fish and garlic.
It's like fish and chips.
No, it's different.
Okay. I think this is more delicious with this drink.
It's usually good to eat with something with broth, like ramyun.
Ramen.
라면.
Or maybe something that you could dip it with.
Ah.
Like dip and it's really good.
It, oh.
Do you like ramen?
Ramen 좋아요. But I cannot eat ramen here.
Because they use the pork. in ramen.
Ah, this it tastes like lettuce. So I also like this drink.
I got to know many snacks from garlic in Indonesia. And I liked it.
So, how is it?
I like it.
You like it?
like it.
Right now I'm hungry, so I'm taking some. And what is your favorite? This one?
I love this one.
Yeah. You?
I like these drinks.
You?
I like this snack.
Ooh.
Oh, very different.
Everyone is saying different things, but yes, that's it. That's the reaction. And thank you for watching and stay tuned. And you could say something to subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe. Happy to Freddy.
Yeah.
also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down
Click.
below. And thank you for the constructive comment that you already sent to us beforehand. And see you in the next video. See you.
See you.
See you.